Tim Art here. Wanted to go over a little bit of Tim's tips. I had a couple questions. I was talking about a square grind or chisel bit filing as we used to call it. And I wanted to kind of set up, because a lot of people haven't used this particular position, but if you have a longer bar, it actually makes it easier. You can be able to set it up over a log or over a limb that supports it. You set the saw basically up at 45 degrees. I use the double bevel. It's a double bevel. This is a Sandvik. I've got some inferred. It's a file that basically has 6 sides to it, and more or less your objective in square file is to go right up to the point underneath, and so this double bevel sets the chisel angle, the side angle, and up to the point.
The file is placed in 3 45-degree positions.
But you set the saw up, and then more or less any Jeep bumper will work, and you can take and go down 45, turn the file 45, and pivot it over 45.